Dear students, now we are going to deal with simple, complex, and compound sentences. Let me explain to you one by one. Simple, complex, and compound sentences. First, let us deal with the simple sentence. A simple sentence is a sentence which has one subject and one verb. For example, I saw a blind man. In this sentence, we have only one subject, that is I, and we have only one verb, saw. Of course, there is also an object, but that is a different matter. So, a simple sentence is a sentence which has only one subject and one verb. Then, what is a complex sentence? A complex sentence is a sentence which has one main clause and one subordinate clause. We can obtain the complex sentence by expanding words or phrases into a subordinate clause. For instance, this sentence, I saw a blind man, can be changed into a complex sentence by expanding words or phrases into a subordinate clause. I saw a blind man can be written as I saw a man who was blind. So we have transformed a simple sentence into a complex sentence without changing the meaning. I saw a blind man is rewritten as I saw a man who was blind. So this is a complex sentence. So what I have done here, I have expanded words or phrases into a subordinate clause. I saw a man is called the main clause. The other name for it is principal clause, and it is independent. That means it can exist by itself. Whereas who was blind is a subordinate clause. It merely depends upon the main clause for the completion of its meaning. So I saw a man who was blind. So such a sentence is called a complex sentence. Here we have one main clause and one subordinate clause. Now let us change this into a compound sentence. Then what is a compound sentence? A compound sentence is a sentence which has two or more main clauses. So what do you mean by main clause? Main clause is a group of words which has a subject of its own, and it is almost independent. Of course, we cannot call it a sentence, but it is quite independent. And a compound sentence is a sentence which can be obtained by joining two or more sentences with the help of conjunctions, coordinate conjunctions like and, but, or, so, therefore, etc. Now let us change this into a compound sentence. I saw a man and he was blind. I saw a man is one main clause. He was blind is another main clause. And these two main clauses are joined by the coordinate conjunction and. Such a sentence is called a compound sentence. So without changing the meaning, we have transformed one sentence into another. I hope all of you have followed it. So let us take another example. On hearing the news, he fainted. Now let us change this into a complex sentence. If you want to change this sentence into a complex sentence, use the subordinate conjunction when. So what is on hearing? On hearing the news is a phrase. And what is the subject in the sentence? He. And what is the verb? Fainted. So this sentence is called a simple sentence as it has only one subject and one verb. So a simple sentence may also contain some phrases like on hearing, on seeing, okay, in addition to, etc. Now how do we change this into a complex sentence? We can change this into a complex sentence by expanding words or phrase into a subordinate clause. So by using the subordinate conjunction when, we can transform this into a complex sentence. Now let me write it. When he heard the news, he fainted. So here how many clauses are there? There are two clauses. When he heard the news is one clause, it is called subordinate clause. He fainted is another clause, it is called main clause. So here we have one main clause and one subordinate clause. So it is a complex sentence. As I told you, a complex sentence has one main clause and one subordinate clause. So without changing the meaning, we have transformed a simple sentence into a complex sentence by using the subordinate conjunction when. When he heard the news, he fainted. Now let us change this to a compound sentence. He heard the news and he fainted. He heard the news and he fainted. He heard the news is one main clause. It has an independent existence. He fainted is another main clause. And these two main clauses are joined by the coordinate conjunction and. Hence it is a compound sentence. He heard the news and he fainted. Dear students, let us observe these three sentences. On hearing the news, he fainted. When he heard the news, he fainted. He heard the news and he fainted. So there is no change, there is absolutely no change in the meaning. So what we have done is, we have transformed one sentence into another without changing the meaning. Dear students, this is how you have to transform simple, complex and compound sentences from one form to another. Hope all of you have followed it. Thank you very much.